Hi, today I will solve your doubts on question that is how to archive an order on Amazon. So, first of all, I'm going to tell you that this thing was previously available to all the users and they were easily able to archive their orders. But from now on, as reported, they are not able to archive their order. But if you want to check out, you can simply navigate to amazon.in, click on the returns and orders option at the top, or just click on account and list and choose your orders. Here, you will see all your orders that you will have. Now, previously, the archive order used to be just right here at the bottom of the order. If you click on view order details, then you'll be taken to this page where the archiving order is not available. So, the archive order link was located at the bottom left corner of the order previously, but now it has gone and you won't be able to archive any order. So that is the simple answer to your question. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.